Welcome to Activity 54. In this activity, we're going to be developing the strategy of bridging 10 for subtraction equations, but we're going to be using adding on to solve them for wholes of up to 20. To complete this activity, you need 2 of each bond block from 1 to 9 and 1 linear 10. If you have original boards, please place them inside a write and wipe sleeve. Player 1 goes first, and they spin 14, subtract 9. First they represent the whole of 14. They then place the part they know of 9. We are going to add on a block, that is the answer, but we're going to do this in 2 blocks to bridge 10. I add on 1 to bridge 10 and 1 more block to make my parts equal to the length of my whole. I have added on 5 to the part I knew of 9. So I say 14 subtract 9 equals 5 and record this. Player 2 has their turn and they spin 15, subtract 7. First they represent the whole of 15. They then represent the part they know of 7. And they find out the part that is the answer by adding on in 2 blocks. 1 block to bridge 10 and 1 more to make the parts equal to the whole. They have added on 8, and I can check if I need to. I say the subtraction, 15 subtract 7 equals 8. And I write this down. 15 subtract 7 equals 8. Player 1 was the winner because the goal is to make the smallest or least answer in each round. Now it's your turn.